What's the meaning of ball breaking? Ball breaking. Ball breaking.
Ball breaking. Ball breaking. Ball breaking is a colloquial term that refers to a person or action that is excessively demanding, difficult, or critical. It is often used to describe situations where someone is being unfairly or unreasonably difficult, putting others under intense pressure and causing stress. The term is derived from the idea of someone who is so exacting or demanding that they might metaphorically castrate their colleagues or employees, leaving them powerless. In some cases, ball-breaking behavior can be seen as a display of power or an attempt to assert dominance. This phrase is considered informal and should be used with caution in professional settings.